to Varanasi first up. Akshit, starting with you, a very high-stake battle. The Prime Minister, of course, is all slated to, in fact, repeat what he's done in 2014 and 2019 as well. What is the mood this time around? The BSP has fielded Syed Niaz Ali from the Bahujan Samaj Party, and Ajay Rai from the Samajwadi Party is also eyeing this particular constituency. And the fact of the matter is, the interesting fact, Akshit, is that the BSP and SP have never been successful in Varanasi.
Well, yes, approximately 5 hours left for the general elections 2024 to culminate. And yes, you rightly, pointed out there that the high stakes battle is perhaps taking place here in the spiritual town Varanasi, where voters have, come out since morning to cast their ballot, which will also decide the fate of, the candidates. And here, of course, you can see some of the voters standing here because, they are, of course, in queue to cast their ballot. Sir, आपसे पूछेंगे क्या कुछ मुद्दे हैं जिनको ध्यान में रख के आज वोट डालें?
महंगाई मुद्दा, बेरोजगारी मुद्दा, बहुत समस्या, लड़का ओवर एज हो जा रहे हैं, कोई नौकरी नहीं, महंगाई अपरंपार है, आप देख रहे हैं। चाहे हमारे घर के लड़के या आपके घर के लड़के हैं, कितना पूरे फंसे हुए हैं, पढ़ के बेकार टहल रहे हैं, पागल हो जा रहे हैं। घर की माँ बाप भी उनको ताना मार रही है, कहाँ जाए वो।
महंगाई मुद्दा है। सर, आप बताइए वाराणसी के विकास को किस तरह से देखते हैं?
विकास क्या हुआ है? विकास भाई मंदिर हुआ है और
काशी विश्वनाथ कॉरिडोर।
हाँ, बस और क्या विकास हुआ है बनारस में? मेन तो मुद्दा महंगाई और बेरोजगारी, यही होना चाहिए।
इन्हीं मुद्दों को देख के आप
जी
सर, और लोगों से हम पूछना चाहेंगे यहाँ पर, अगर आप बता सकें आके क्या कुछ मुद्दे रहेंगे जिनको देख के आज वोट डालेंगे?
हमारा मुद्दा बेरोजगारी और महंगाई और बच्चे का भविष्य खराब हो रहा है, पढ़ लिख के बेकार हो जा रहे हैं, यही देख कर हम लोग वोट देंगे।
So there, of course, Vineet, you have heard out from some of the voters here that unemployment and inflation are two of the key issues which they will keep in mind while exercising their franchise. Because, we also talked to some of the voters since morning, and many voters also say that development will be one of the key issues which they will be keeping in mind while casting their ballot. And it has perhaps not only taken a center stage in Varanasi but across the country, because as we know, Prime Minister has been campaigning across the length and breadth of the country, and also it's rather important to note that Congress leader Ajay Rai is in the fray up against Prime Minister, and it will be important to note that will he be able to dent the prospects of Prime Minister Modi to increase his vote margins of the victory in Varanasi or not, because it's the most keenly watched battle. And also very importantly, how the candidates who are in the fray in Varanasi will be able to consolidate the caste base in Varanasi, because of course there are Muslims here, there are Bhumiyars here, and Dalits also, and Yadavs also. So how that will also come into play, the caste dynamics, of course, because apart from the Kashi Vishwanath temple and the widening of roads, people also here say that unemployment and inflation are two of the most important issues.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.